How to hold a successful hybrid meeting. There are 3 things to consider. A presentation system to share screens easily. A wide-range PTZ cam to stream the whole meeting room. And a speakerphone to pick speech from all seats. Here is the solution to get it done. A speakerphone, a PTZ cam, a USB hub, and a presentation system. Quick installation and immediate use. Get the RGB 10x USB BK setup on your meeting room's TV. Connect speakerphone to the USB hub and USB hub to S Pro. The S Pro will integrate devices all together. Built-in Zoom app, one click to initiate a video conference. USB PTZ camera with 20x total zoom and wide field view. Restore your last PTZ settings on each use. With such a system, a hybrid meeting will go smoothly and hassle-free. Share your screen in every corner. Use the wireless connection through AirPlay or Miracast. Screen sharing becomes easy. Meet like we're together. RGBlink BYOD conferencing solution.